Hello guys, we are at Lonavala Aamby Valley, Generation Speed 2025. Here are BMW 900cc motorcycle, shaft drive. You can see the orange color with the grey shade. We come to the next bike. This is the Norton, and look at the handlebar over here. Original, made in England meters. Everything is original, painted and maintained. Each and everything. Honda Super Sports 400 with the beautiful red color. And here are Sajid Bhai BSA Gold Star. Lovely, lovely. With the cafe racer handle. It's a very unique thing. This is the BSA Gold another. This is the short long handle and this is the shorter handle. Tramp Tiger. You can see the all original things are here. Grill, tank pads, exhaust. This is the original gold stamp head. BSA, Norton, AJS, and this is the another Royal Enfield by Sajid Bhai. Very well maintained. दिस इज द जैप मॉडल. वो टाइम पर जैप मॉडल का इंजन रहता था तो उस वजह से इसको जैप मॉडल बोला जाता था. हियर आर रॉयल एनफील्ड. इट्स मे बी अ GT 650 or Interceptor. I don't know about the engine. This is the custom work, Bombay custom work. The nameplate over here. You can see the nameplate over here. And Royal Enfield GT 535. You can see the total conversion and all. Bhai ka reaction. Thank you. So here are Fiat 1921 Patiala Maharaja, and here are Avon's SS. This is Adler. You can see the length of this is two-door convertible car. You can see the back of this car. Beautiful. Jaguar Mark II. The beautiful color. This is the Trump 1966 two-door convertible. As here are green MG two-door convertible. It's a B type. The beautiful interior, spoke wheel, and here are Dodge Custom Royal 1959 two-door hardtop four-seater. You can see the all detail over here, each and everything, the chrome work. It's a left-hand drive car. This is the Lancia 2 टू डोर कन्वर्टेबल। ये वो टाइम की रेसिंग कार्स थी। ये हो गई, और भी है। With BBS alloy wheels, Mitsubishi वो Fiat left and right.
Sir, चलो 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 साइड में लो ना, राइट में लो, राइट में लो, राइट में लो। चलो चलो सीधा सीधा चलो, लेकिन राइट में चलो, तुम इसको लेफ्ट में जगह दो। वो पैसे यहाँ से लेगा, अंदर लेगा। पावर में पता है क्या लो, आगे लो, आगे लो, आगे लो, आगे लो, फास्ट लो।
Hey guys, watch the 50s Fuel and subscribe. It's
Thank you
excellent.
so much.
Good luck, brother.
Thank you so much, sir.